How to delete a part of the video that you don't want using the Capcut Video Editor app. Make sure you have the latest update to get access to all the tools you see here, and let's get started. So let's say there's a part of the video that you don't want, and with Capcut Editor, if you're working with multiple video clips, you will go to the bottom area in the timeline and tap on the video. When you do this, you now have a different set of tools appear for you. So maybe for this video in particular, I want to remove perhaps from here where the white line is and all the way to around here. So to do this, bring it to the start point of where you want to delete. And wherever this white line is, you will press a split, and that's going to make a split here. So I'll do it now, and you can see now you have yourself a split right here. So I want to delete from here to perhaps over here. So I'll bring the white line over to this part here. And I'll tap here again, and I will split again. And by doing this now, I will have myself a separation here. And that's basically telling Capcut that this is now separated from the other part of the video. And I can tap here, make sure it is highlighted like this here. And when it's highlighted like this here, you will see delete, or also known as cut. And when you delete it, you have deleted a part of the video that you don't want. And you can go about doing this for other parts of your video. And if you made any mistakes, you can always use the undo option. And also, if you want to undo your splits, you can go ahead and do that. But if you did save with the splits already inserted, you cannot undo them. But that's it for this guide here. Like and sub.